You'll find it in just about every laboratory and hospital. The footswitch allows you to reliably operate machines and devices even when you have your hands full, literally. But a footswitch can also pose a tripping risk. Not so with EMOSWITCH, the wireless footswitch by EMO Systems. EMOSWITCH fulfills the most stringent requirements in terms of safety, ergonomics, and design. It boasts a robust, waterproof, and very flat design, and is also available with stirrup and twin pedal. An extensive reach and superior battery life round off the switch to perfection. To begin using it, simply plug the USB receiver into the desired port, and voila! Your EMOSWITCH is now ready for use. Why not find out for yourself?